Welcome to PBCJ's E-News. I'm your host, Alicia. On this week's show, we highlight Shenseea at Coachella and the success of Jamaica Carnival. Let's get into the segment. The carnival industry is a major source of revenue for many countries and generating income from tourism, merchandise sales, and event tickets. Jamaica's carnival generated billions of dollars and could help to boost the country's economy while creating jobs in the tourism and hospitality industries. The success of this year's carnival helps to promote Jamaica's culture and attract more visitors to the country. Carnival is one of the biggest cultural festivals in the Caribbean, and the economic impact from tourism was $2.97 billion, while the overall economic impact of Carnival was 4.59 billion JMD. It's simple. Carnival for the economy is a win. Dancehall music has arrived at Coachella, and Shenseea made the best of it on Saturday, April 15 at the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival in Indio, California. She represented in her true form as the Shenyang Queen in full effect by having her dragon on stage as a monument in the background. Even her mic had a dragon on it. Her performance was lit, and she also performed her newest single, Curious. Shenseea also brought on stage Coilery and Tukistra during her set as they performed Players. Girls is players too, right? Pastor and actor Winston Bello Bell sadly left us on Saturday, April 15 due to complications of neuropathy. The announcement of his passing was made on Facebook. Bello was a 45-year veteran of the theater arts in Jamaica and is known for his roles in movies such as Third World Cup, One Love, Glory to Gloriana, Get Alive, and many more. He is perhaps best known as one half of the comedy duo Blacker and Bello. Rest easy, Winston Bello Bell. Thanks for tuning in to our entertainment segment of the news. I'm your girl, Alicia. Until next time.